this is the community of American truck drivers. Welcome to another video.
No reason to cut this, man. The Dade County guys tell us to fence.
Looks like his tire's locked up. Oh, he's got a dog in there too, ain't he? That looks like a dog toy.
Am gade la vem la. Sa son truck driver. Oui, son truck driver. Jan nou el ap prale sou baton son truck driver. Son moun ki ta spose ritayet.
Hey everyone, Quest here, coming back at you from the open road. I know it's been a little while since I've posted, been spending some extra time with the kids. Got a quick video here for you today, something that finally exciting happened. Watch this KLLM truck that just passed me. This is a video to teach all you truck drivers, all you guys pulling trailers, to manage your speed. Always watch your speed. This poor guy, he probably caused himself a heart attack right here. Look at this. That's a good 2 feet off the ground. Those tires are up there. That trailer wanted to go over. I congratulate him for keeping that truck on its wheels. He did a good job there, but he's got to watch that speed next time. Hey everybody, be safe out there. Remember, we all share the road. Have a good one.
Man, he is not going to have a good day.
I would really hope truck drivers wouldn't do this to other truck drivers. But if you're not a truck driver, this is a good lesson to learn. Do not cut over in front of somebody, especially in bad weather. Zero visibility. This guy has no idea if he's on the road right now or not. All thanks to the other trucker. Matter of fact, doesn't look like he is on the road. Oh, okay, he's on the wrong side of the road. Now he's coming back over. More space, guys.
Some more, it rains, it pours, it rains, it pours. She came, I came, I was, my name, my dream, my pain.
There it is, there it is. Told you.
They know.
He's Woo! Yeah! Woo!
Yeah, pull over now, dumbass.
Oh my gosh. That was great.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.